Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Calendar to your Slack account. Now, at first, just open up your Slack application, or just go ahead and open up slack.com in any of your browser. And after that, just log into your account. Then here, in My Workspaces, you'll see all the workspaces. You just have to open any of them. Then just give it some time to load. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. And after clicking that, it will take about 2 seconds to load depending on your internet. And after it loads successfully, what you have to do is just go to the left-hand menu. You'll see the workspace logo. You'll see Home, DMs, Activity, Files, Later, and more. We have to go inside More, then just go to Tools and click on it. And after that, under Tools, you're going to find Workflows, Apps, Channel Templates. We will install Google Calendar as an app, so just go to Apps. And from here, just scroll all the way down, and you should see under Recommended Apps Google Calendar. And if you don't see it, you can also search for it. Then just click on Install when you find it. I have already installed it right over here, so I'm just gonna click on Go to App. And from here, I can either open the app or I can click on the three dot icon and click on Configuration. Then just wait, the website will load. From here, I can just click on Edit to Slack or Add to Slack. And after that, just wait. It will allow the connection with Google. So just select the workspace where you want to connect and then just click on Allow. Then just give it some time. It will ask you which account you want to use. I want to use this one, so I'll select it and click on Continue. Click on Continue once again. And after that, you can click on Open this link in your browser and just give it some time. It will take you back to Slack. And there you go. Your Google Calendar has been added over here. If you come to Home, you can see your schedule over here. You can also talk to the Google Calendar and use it to set calendar updates from the chat as well. And basically, that is how to connect Google Calendar to your Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.